Machine, Mobile, Sacramento, standing by.
Where you going, Mean Machine? 2500 in the Great Lakes. 2500 west side of Michigan, sitting up here on these sand dunes looking out west. Breaker?
I bagged 2500. I'm actually going nowhere. Hey, 2500, I'm going nowhere. I'm sitting in a Mobile. Bigger left, hour and a half, maybe more. Hey, 2500, the gate is rolling. I'm sitting back down trying to say, hey, top of the day. Come down, ho.
By Mean Machine. By Mean Machine, 2500 in the Great Lakes. Gonna ease on out of here up on these great big sand dunes looking on the west side with a wave. Easter Sunday to you. Mean Machine, west side, 2500 in the cold country, rocking on.
Take care, 2500. Hey, 2500. Have a good day, I was not. Because they can't bigger Easter, but he did. Hey, 2500, you lousy. I think I did kick the spot. Congratulations on 2500. 918 Mean Machine, Mobile, Sacramento, standing by.
Bye, 918. Take care, man. You got a lot of stations running up behind you. Ain't no doubt about that. Put it on you later. 918. Sacramento and the Mobile, you said. 2500 sitting on the sand dunes, west side of Michigan, rocking the mail.
What the hell, lad? Take care, 2500. Hey, 2500, say Easter. We're not gonna make it too much noise. We're gonna sit back and listen to your talk show. Catch you later on 2500, 918. Standing by 73s, la-di-da-di for everybody. Happy Easter.
Who's that with that Mark Eagle?
This old 511 in the bird nest, man. We were just warming up the old Eagle, like an old black and white TV. You got a little warm up a little bit, Rogers.
If you ain't got no glass, you ain't got no class, is what I heard in the past. 2500 in the Great Lakes, 511 west side. I waved, I got down. Put it on you later, 511. I left Mean Machine on the hammer right there, right now. 2500 Great Lakes, talking to my radio. I see you.
Let's get back to the 918. I was just warming up this old Eagle. We'll catch you later. I'm about for key by.
That Eagle sound good. That plate modulation's working. 2500 west side Michigan on the drive again down. Great, big antennas back quiet.
Yeah, I got me a little 511 up here, man. I ain't got a whole lot of power, but I feed it when I can. 2500. Have a good day.
4 Red Dot Toshiba 2879, 7 Element on the flat side, late on the west side. Good day.
I got too much to mention in here. I got a JB12 into a Eagle 200 into a 3500Z box into something else. We'll see about you.
Pre-driver, into the driver, into the big box. Boy, you better take some of that shit out of line, 511. Oh, 2500 Great Lakes. I'll see you.
511 and the bird nest is gone.
Bye, around the bird nest. I'll see you. Real good copy. Bye.
Boss, there's a young boss out there in the Muskego. Bye, Jolly Rancher. Have a good Easter. 511 in the bird nest. I'm gone. In the crowd, Detroit boss. Young boss, Muskego out there making a whole lot of noise. Catch you later on Triple Nickel 918. Gone.
By 918, 2500 west side of Michigan, working a little bit of Mother Nature. 250 bird whites, easing on through.
Jolly Rancher, you sounded way another man out of 10 today, so keep on keeping on. I'm out the way, Beer Money, Northern Cal, reading the mail.
Beer Money, what's going on? 2500 in the Great Lakes with a Sunday wave, got down.
Thank you. Take care, Triple Nickel.
Take care, Beer Money, 2500 in the Great Lakes, I'm gone. When you got up, I laid it right back down. Beer Money, west side, Northern California. 2500 on the west side of Michigan, looking on the west coast with that Easter Sunday wave. Bye.
Alright, man, 2500, beautiful transmit. Mother Nature pulled her skirt up. It's your turn to burn. I'll get out the way and let you go ahead and do your natural born thing. 2500 Beer Money on a good day wave.
Real, good copy. Beer Money, 2500 Great Lakes is on the mail.
Hey,